Alright, y'all, it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, but now we have two boxes here. So this one is from Jason and Andrew, while this one is from Sam. YouTube names are St. Louis Elevators and DieselDucy, you probably already know that, and that's Elevators of Lake County. We're going to do this one first, because this is a smaller box. So, take this one, and we'll do this one. Okay. So I already know what one of the parts in here is, but the other part I'm not so sure. It's a surprise part. Oh, I hope I didn't just break something. Y'all didn't see that. There's a little note in here. I kind of did the same thing to him, so what a surprise. He does it back. The dullest freaking scissors on the planet, too. Am I getting this? I hope I am. Okay. Enjoy your very own normal Otis Lexan. If you guys don't know, the little inside joke about this is the Lexan call station I have right now is California code compliant, and it sticks out big time, and it looks really ugly. Turn over. Lexan button. Yep, here we go. Here we go. Lexan button from Andrew, restored by Jason. Keys from Andrew. Third item is from Jason. Alright. Let's get started. Went right into there, just like that. Here it is. Damn. Wow. Yeah, this is nice. Can't mess up the wire. Wow. Okay, so this purchase, this button was actually just, it was so messed up. It was so beat up and disgusting. But Jason did his best to restore it. He got paint and painted it, cleaned it. These halos used to be like black because there was so much gunk inside of them. It was crazy. And he also kindly marked and pre-wired it. So all I have to do is attach my lights and a battery. How nice. It's got the guts and everything. Yep. And I suppose this is a little, well, let's see what this is. This little, oh yeah, he said he was going to do this. It's a cute little wiring diagram. This boy went all out and extra. Alright, well, I finally have a Lexan call station, a normal one. And I love it. Thanks to both of you for that. Now, what's that in here? Got a little bag. Yep, this is my little key. This is the bag I sent him crap in. He sent it right back. Can't get rid of my crap. Got a duo key for armor. That's nice. And we got a piece of paper. Okay, thanks. Just kidding. We have a little something, something. Oh, wow. I'm going to say thank you already. I already see what it is. If you guys don't know, Jason has his own 3D printer. And look what he made me. My own little 3D printed call station. It's got a micro switch in it and everything. See, that's how it works. You just push it down. And he even marked it so I can wire it up if I wanted to. Elevator Company. That is nice. That is real cool. Thanks, man. Wow. I'm not expecting that. And I think that's about it in the box. So let's get to the big boy now. Okay, this one right here. This is gonna take a long time. I know there's a lot of stuff in here. So, this was supposed to come 2 days ago, but, you know, USPS is slow as hell, so it was late, of course. So, let's see. Where to start? Oh, yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, well, we have a GAL Jet Plus vandal resistant door open button. It's very rusted out, beat up, but it still works. Yep. That's nice. Okay, gotta separate these parts. Ooh. Wow. Houghton, I forgot. L series? I don't know. I don't even know. I am not familiar with Houghton at all, but this is a very beat up call station. It's got the up button. That was actually the first time I've ever pushed an original Houghton call station. Right there. I've never seen these in real life before. Wow, those are some weird contacts. Yeah, that's nothing like I have. Yeah, even though it's not the complete call stations, it's still pretty cool. I don't have any Houghton parts yet. Well, I mean, I have some indicators, but no call station. Yeah, that's cool. This one is completely missing. Yeah. Let's see. Nice. Freaking, what the hell? My guy literally threw in a freaking piece of candy. You're funny, aren't you? Okay, we got something wrapped up here. What is this? Oh! Oh, snap. Oh, it's got asbestos on the back. This is Houghton as well. I noticed the contact is the same thing. This is a Houghton triangle button. Wow, I love the way it pushes. You like barely touch it. Nice. That's real nice. And Adam's stop switch. Pull to stop, push in to run. Nice, 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 thanks. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. I've always wanted one of these, elevator guide wheel. Oh, it's so dirty. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but yeah, thanks. Ooh, we got a little bunch of plates here. General Electric motor plate. It's got a lot of paint on it. Ooh, Houghton Elevator Company. Wow, look at that. That's nice. And another Houghton logo. This one has their H logo on it. Houghton. Yeah, that's cool. These are all motor plates. Okay. We got something here. Ah, yes. This is a Houghton indicator. I have a down one from Jared. This one is up and down. Let me demonstrate that. No. Yeah. Up, down. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Ooh. Okay, more asbestos. Oh, it's a bell. Oh, this is a Houghton bell. Hold on now, I gotta ring this. Where is that? There we go. Ooh, that's nice. This board isn't so nice though. I gotta be careful with this. Well, is that asbestos? I don't know. Looks like it. It's kind of light though, but Another bell for the collection. Got a little Adams key switch part. Just the key switch part. Oh, here's everything else. Yeah, the key switch fell apart in the mail. So it goes like this. Just like that. Yeah. Just a key switch. I don't know what key that takes. I probably have it though. This is a Houghton little button cap. Pretty cool. That's big for just a button cap. Yeah. Oh wow, look at this. Snickers. And we have a relay. A very burnt one as well. Wow. I'm gonna save this. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of random stuff. I'm just gonna open this one. Oh, yeah, boy. Look at that. Look at that. That's freaking beautiful. Otis. Wow. Yep, it's got the same back as my Lexan one. Yeah. This is real nice. Gold. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. I might put this above my door actually. This is so cool. Thanks, man. Okay, here we go. More random stuff. Gum. Okay. We got a 6 and a 7. A 12. An up. And a shoe. Custom for a shoe level. Got a sign. Oh, there's the bottom. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. I got the whole call station. Let's get this. Put that. How does it go in? I guess it just... Yeah, how does it go in? Hold on, let me figure this out. Does it clip up? Because it definitely doesn't just stay where it is now. I'm about lost as hell. Yeah, huh. This is the front. You can see how beat up it is around the arrow. But, yeah, maybe it just goes like that and it just mounts behind it. That's pretty dang cool, though. A Houghton call station. Houghton triangle. Wow. This is a heavy, heavy piece of metal. Yep, so I'll just get screws and then just mount it together, I guess. And that's about it. Box. Alright, so time to lay out all the parts. So we got the Houghton triangle. Very cool. We got this cool Otis lantern. This Houghton little sign. 3 motor plates. Stop switch. A roller. Part of a Houghton call station, relay, Adams key switch, nice little bell for my collection, and various Adams parts, and a little Houghton button cap, GAL vandal resistant, that. Yeah, and 3 pieces of candy. Wow. Thanks, man. And of course, we can't forget about this stuff from Jason and Andrew. And my very own tiny little dinky call station. And my little key. That's how small it is. Look at that key. It's smaller. Well, thank you to both of you, or all three of you guys actually, for all this stuff. This is freaking cool. Yeah, look at all that. Yup. Now, to find where I put all of it. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, yeah, subscribe, you know what to do. Blah, blah, blah. That'll be it.